y'all, it's Alyza. Sorry if I'm looking like this way because like my camera is like over there and I'm not used to staring at the camera. So today for my video I'll be showing you my makeup stuff, even though I don't wear makeup at all. I mean, sometimes I do, but like this is literally the only, spoiler alert, but that was like the only eyeshadow palette that I personally own. Okay. My hair does not look good today. I apologize. I don't do YouTube, so I'm not even used to anything yet, but this is my first video, so hey. Okay, on with the video. So most of my makeup are like super cheap because I'm not used to putting makeup on. And yeah, I only started wearing makeup like maybe like 2 or 3 months ago. I don't know. But yeah, these are the brushes I own. They're only for the eyes. I don't put foundation on because I don't have any foundation. And the foundation we have in my house are like old and crusty, and they're like, I don't know, like maybe 10 years old. So yeah. And like I'm not used to wearing foundation. So brushes. So these are just for the eyes. Here's an eyeshadow packing brush. I don't even know what the names of these are. So this is an eyeshadow packing brush. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Okay, so this is the blend. Oh my god, why is everything going so wrong for me? So this is the blending brush. I use this most of the time because I feel like it's easier to put like makeup on and then on my eyes. And then this is the eyeshadow packing brush. I use this too, but I do the blending brush more often because, as I said, it's easier. And I've never used this before because I don't really do my eyebrows with a brush. I use like an eyebrow pencil thing, and it's like kind of old, but like I still use it. And yeah, and I don't really do eyeliner, so I might in the future if I get used to doing most of my makeup. Okay, let's get on with the eyeshadows. Oh, and by the way, this is my makeup bag. It's cute and yellow. I love it. And the brand is Clinique. I literally just found that in the house, okay? So, this is my eyeshadow palette. It's a nude eyeshadow palette. Am I saying that right? Palette? Eyeshadow palette. Okay. So this is the Essence All About Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I use it like all the time because this is literally the only eyeshadow palette that I have. And it's like small, pretty small. Like look at my hand. And my hand's pretty small, so it's like basically the size of my hand. And this is literally, moving on. Okay, so what I like about this is that it's small and I could just easily just carry it around. And also, the shades are pretty good too, although I only use like the darker shades because these shades don't work for me at all. Actually, the light ones do, but these 3 shades are a total miss because they're like the same color as my skin tone. Maybe I will use them, but like they're not really useful to my eyes. The one I use the most, okay, let me open this up. The one I use the most is this one, and this one. Yeah, these are the 2 that I use the most. And then I basically just do like a simple eyeshadow look with these. Yeah. Should I do swatches? I should do swatches. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is, okay, wait. So these 4 are the first row here. And as I said, I mainly use this shade and the white shade, not the white shade, the most lightest shade over here, I use sometimes too, but most of the time I use this because it's more like a highlight. It's more shimmery. Yeah, there's that. And then the other 4. Here's the other 4. Again, I don't know if you can really see them. This is turning out more bad than I thought, but this is like the last row here. Yeah, that's my eyeshadow palette. Now I just need to wash these off. So I'll go on with the things in my makeup bag, which mostly are mine. Okay, so this one is, I'm pretty sure this product is discontinued because I tried searching for it online and like I couldn't really find any results. Most of them were like out of stock or unavailable and stuff like that. So this is from the brand Avon. It's the Smooth Minerals and it's basically like a loose eyeshadow powder. Yeah. And this is in the shade Rose Quartz. And it's pretty good. I mean, I use it for highlight most of the time because it's actually kind of shimmery and it's like pinkish and I like it. So I don't want to like tip it, but like it looks like this. And I basically just dust that over here, sometimes on my nose. And I use the eyeshadow for my eyes and I usually put it over here. So there's that. The next one I have is this Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in the shade Blackest Black. Blackest Black. And this is literally the cheapest mascara you can get at like a drugstore. Actually, I'm not sure about that, but this was the cheapest one I saw in my drugstore. And again, I'm cheap, so I go for the cheapest products because I'm a beginner in makeup. I'm sorry, but this is actually okay, even though my eyelashes, I don't want to explain it. Like when I put it on, it's not that noticeable. At least I don't think so. Maybe it's just my application, but like I go for a more subtle eyelash look, but I probably should put on more. So yeah, Great Lash is pretty good. I mean, if you guys are on a budget, then maybe you can get that. Anyone could get that. What am I thinking? Anyway, let's move on. Okay, so during Christmas, on Christmas, last Christmas? Okay, Christmas 2017, I got a set of lipsticks from Sephora from one of my family members. And like, they're all nude. And I love them so much. So they're just plain nude lipsticks. I don't know how to show these to you, but I have to try and pick them up. I'll show them to you individually to make things easier, but this is what it looks like. They're just like lipstick crayons. And they're like from Sephora. And I actually love it so much, even though I don't really wear lipstick as much because I'm not that big of a fan of lipstick. Actually, I do like lipstick, but I just don't wear it a lot. I don't know how to speak. Okay, this is my first video. I'm sorry. Oh my god, there I go again. Anyway, so here I'll show you an example of the lipstick. So it's this short. It's like, yeah, it's like really short. And it's from Sephora. And yeah, it's a lip crayon. I don't really know what else to talk about. But basically just twist it. And then it looks like this. It's like a crayon. Like a regular. Wait. Ooh. And then you just put on your lip. I'm so awkward. Okay. So I haven't really found what shade fits me the best. Yeah. I think you guys understand what I'm trying to say. I haven't really found a shade that looks good on me. So I'll have to practice with all of them. So for chapstick, I know it's not really that important, but this is the chapstick I use. And it's from the brand Crate 61 Organics Incorporation. So the brand is, I think, Crate 61. And oh my gosh, guys, this chapstick is so good. It smells like chocolate. And it's organic. I'm not really knowledged on organic stuff, but I guess that's pretty good. So yeah, chocolate. It's made in Canada. Oh, and if you're wondering where I got this at like in Toronto from an exhibition. If anyone is familiar with CNE, that's where I got it. Canadian National Exhibition in Toronto. And lastly, I have this eyeliner, which I don't use at all, but I really should. It's L'Oreal Paris. It's the super slim liquid eyeliner. And oh my gosh, this is actually pretty good. I got this for like $8, I think, or $4. I don't remember. I got this a while back, but this is in the shade black, of course. And basically, you could just do any eyeliner with this. It's like felt tip pen. But I'm not experienced with winged eyeliner, so I'm not risking it. Here it is. I need more practice with this. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I know I look terrible, I know, but again, it's my first video. Like, give me a break. Okay. And maybe I'll post more videos in the future. I don't know. Maybe I'll even be like a makeup guru, but actually no. That's too hard of a job for me. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. Broke. I don't have any money. I can't pay for myself because I don't have a job yet. And I have these 3 brushes. These are the only brushes I use. And they're from the dollar store. they're from the dollar store. If I recall correctly, these are from the brand. You know what? Okay. I am in my pajamas.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed.